let's get right to the three things that you need to know to start off your morning. First thing you need to know, concerns about the banking sector continue to weigh on markets worldwide. In Europe, Deutsche Bank shares tumbling as the cost of insuring against default, that's jumped. And with investors still wary in the aftermath of Credit Suisse's turmoil, UBS shares also slipping after a Bloomberg report that it's under investigation by the DOJ for aiding evasion of Russian sanctions. This as Treasury Secretary Yellen assured lawmakers and regulators that they are prepared to step in to help U.S. banks if needed, clarifying remarks that she made earlier this week. Second thing that you need to know, a wobbly end to the week for markets as investors remain wary of the health of the banking sector. The Stoxx Europe 600 index sliding for the second consecutive day. That's been pulled down by bank stocks. U.S. futures wiped out earlier gains from the week. This comes as a Citigroup note reaffirms an underweight call on U.S. equities. Analysts saying an impending recession puts U.S. stocks at a risk of underperforming. All of this has more American investors feeling increasingly pessimistic, according to the latest survey from American Association of Individual Investors. And the third thing that you need to know, a brutal end to the week for Block. Shares continue to slide after tanking yesterday thanks to damning accusations of exploitation and fraud in a report published by short sellers at Hindenburg Research. The mobile payment company is accused of overstating legit user counts and allowing fraud and criminal activity to thrive on the Cash App platform, its subsidiary. CEO Jack Dorsey saw his net worth fall by over $500 million since that report dropped. Now, Block promised to work with the SEC to explore legal action against the misleading, as they classified it, Hindenburg Research.